Aye. Aye.
Now well done, no. Now well done, no. Now village, this one is my leg. One of my leg lost like this.
You don't come on the other leg.
Come like say at they beg money. Okay, make the leg just of food.
Sigh.
Oh boy, now I come to know say I get thin leg. Hey, any which way, you not thin reach your own.
I go slap you.
Village
You don't
girl.
even see my leg.
Village
You
girl.
don't see my leg.
Village girl.
Yes.
You dey wear chain for leg.
No, me I be village girl with open eye.
Which kind of open eye
I be village girl with the forget. You not see my red lipstick. You not see my red lipstick. See am.
See this star.
Village girl with the open eye.
I must be long lipstick.
What is wrong with you?
The kind lipstick will say.
Now me be the queen bee for inside village.
Oh boy.
I be the queen.
The girl with the rain for the
now me they run things for the package. Everybody they follow me for back.
What me I come be?
You be village prince now. See now fine boy village. Village fine boy. Oh God, now you fine pass for this village. I they tell you this thing. Now you fine pass. All the girls they say, hey, he's passing. Hey, he's passing. Oh, hey, see him. Oh yeah, greet me. Greet me. Well done.
Well done. No. How are you?
Hey. I go bring water for yours.
No problem.
I'll bring water for you.
You come and then from there.
Hey.
From there go see Bele.
Hey.
You don't do. You too like nonsense. We never come all of that come this show for today. Onto Village P. Now we say we'll go back home.
Now you they sweep your house.
Back home. No, this see, when you hold broom like this, I know they do political ambition, no. No be what I carry the broom for. This broom fat pass the ones that they see from some of those. So that real village broom. Not be the one who sweep change. But on the level. Any which way, we welcome everybody to Padi for today on a Friday P, on a village swagging and every. So, Mayawa, you welcome them in your own way.
All right. At the traverse, at least they greet now. Una, welcome to the show. If you like, you stay on the line. If you like, you still stay on the line. I am welcoming you to the show. So welcome to the show. It's Padi Padi. We will give you everything today. I'm telling you this thing.
You are a local girl.
I'm telling you this thing. Wait, I want sneeze. Kene.
Ayama.
Yama.
I say you want to
you
say.
You too, Yama.
I say you want to say ew. Ayama. Ew. In shit of day, how old as you are. As old as you are.
You will never change. Come on, there. I don't know the song.
Not true. Hey, shit of days, as old as you are. As old as you are, you will never change. I believe sometimes they do some kind of song they disturb God.
I know.
Some kind of song we know under the canopy. Why?
Cano.
Jesus is your bulldozer. Hey, why? Some kind of songs. Anyway, we are gathering together.
Oh God, don't you just love this show?
Yes, me love the show like fried rice.
Like Kilodai.
No, like Kilodai. But I go sit down now. No. Your evil witchcraft behavior don't enter your body now because this thing we don't know. Oh yeah, sorry, no.
Say
vex, please.
Call me all the nice names for this world.
Tomato juice. Plantain. Plantain. Banana. Asam pete one baby.
Remain 7.
Baby Oko. One mommy. On about the boys. Off there. Bad girl. Wicked girl.
Your lover.
Love him.
Thank you.
Ego vim. You understand? You be the plantain. We go shop you pa.
You have to tone it down, you understand? You have to be okay. You have to be comfortable. You cannot be wearing high heel every day. It is to pain the anklets.
Oh.
It is to pain the anklets.
And go give you a recollect.
Yes, and then your anklet, your kidney,
your kidney. Go
come out.
Yes.
You understand?
So
not every time I eat. Sometimes slipper score.
Yes, score. You understand? Your kidney will just, and then your liver. Your liver waiting for you. It will just
shift. Feed this place.
Intestine there. The inside, intestine there.
Red blood cell. Will they come back?
Or mitochondria.
What?
And from here like this, we'll go break. By the time we come back from our break, we enter Yan the Yan, chapley. We get funny videos for you and sweet stories for all of you for house there. All right? So we come back now. Mayawa, Ogbolo, we are there here. Padi things. No go nowhere, no go nowhere, no go nowhere, no go nowhere.
Lie.
Ojoro!
Film trick. All the people when they inside in water, na in people.
Now, guys, me, I don't watch the making.
Yes, then get transparent
glass under,
glass
like
under. So the people when they see for inside the water, then go once he cross, then go quick swim.
They
arrange the thing for an lie.
They want to say na illusion. Illusion, how they call it? Illusion. In all illusion, anything for us. We know, see for here, you want try wish? Come here, you see wish.
You go, you walk on top water, you go walk for inside cloud.
For here, you want try wish? Not be all the illusion. Do better wish, more we not say you get wish. Not be all this one, you the package yourself.
You be using technology to be deceiving people.
Forget
and
it. Come carry your guys, they put around you. Come here, come see Professor Pella. May you know wish.
Who be Professor Pella?
You don't know that guy? When they disappear anyhow. Professor Pella. Yeah? Call yeah. No one guy go jump inside Lion Zoo for you.
You don't say before.
He say be Jasmine.
You don't say before then go say monkey. I mean cat. Now it be the symbol of wish. That year. Now monkey. All those people where they hold monkey they pass. Their witchcraft not be here. Then thief your money join. Give us the yarn.
For the gods, they. So they sing one song like this, all this village song. Why they drum nonsense like this now? My baby money nani. I'm a deputy mono. Kay. Waka, shake it. Noises.
You know, say this village what we do. We just join all the village together.
All
we
the
don't
village,
even know where we come from.
We are Nigerians.
We are Nigeria.
We wear all the village.
I don't even know. We know where all the village.
No, we still.
We don't just know where we come from.
We are. That's why we'll be Nigeria.
We're not sure.
We'll be Nigeria with the full Nigeria like this. So we'll get the gist.
All right, make I give you my first story this morning.
Oh. From the box of life.
Yes. One particular student now, he see me see trouble. I said people know well. True, Ogbalo, there's a problem in this country. People are not all right. In this world, people are not all right. This particular guy is 22 years old. He like they play video game. They play video game, no go sleep, no go chop. They play video game. Now him papa can tell her one day say, stop playing this video game. What's wrong with you? His name na Jun Cheng. He happen for inside China.
What's his name?
Jun Cheng.
What's his name?
Jun Cheng.
Jun Cheng.
Yes. Jun Cheng, 22 years old. For close to 48 hours, lock himself for inside house. Now the papa come broke the door, come out. Come tell him, so yeah, come out, go sleep. He don't do. Come out, go sleep. He don't do. Two of them argue. Now the guy say, okay, I'm done here. The next morning, my brother, now the remaining part of his body there, so the guy burned himself.
Jun Cheng.
He put fire for his body, burned himself because they say make him no play video game.
Say in die in here, be see survive.
He carry the petrol, go there. I said they see the remains of his body.
Because say they say make him no play video game. Say your head is correct like this.
I don't know. I don't they talk this thing. If it not be for inside this country will be there, if it be for another country, because this one happen for inside China. But it no matter whether na China or na Chinese, or whether na Nigeria or something like that.
Chinese.
Yes, Chinese. Anything where they dangerous, don't be keeping it around your children. We need kill you to keep it somewhere safe. It not go kill you to keep am for somewhere where children no go feel reach am. Be keep out of reach of children where then they rights no be for joke. Now for a scandal for inside China, 2 6-year-olds, one of them in name na Yang. Ogbolo, if you just help me pronounce the name. Yang. And in cousin Yang are just 6 years old. In cousin self, himself na 6 years old. His cousin name na Ying. Yes.
Just imagine where they throw spoon for ground. You know the name. So
now, thinking they play for outside. Now they can't stumble on top a rifle.
Rifle, that be
shot. All those shotguns. Thank you.
Small
Then stumble on top of inside China. Now, Yang, now him be the cousin.
Okay.
The thing say na playing something. So the guy fired the bullet for Ying face.
Hey.
325 bullets now then come out for the face of Ying. Out of play. As that thing happened, the two children run enter inside house. Now the mama can say, hey, see what happened. But the children said, then I cried and they cried. They were scared. They don't even know what happened. They don't know what then they do. Yeah. Because as far as they're concerned, play something. You can imagine 325 gunshot pellets, pellets, now then come out for there. 2 millimeters in diameter from inside Yang face.
So
I'm telling you this thing.
So he not die.
He not die.
Yes, just thank God for that particular one. Say at least he no buy.
But you know as he go take this figure. How did they take down so take the 325
bullets? Some will still remain somewhere. Maybe they find out where. But for this part of the world, I don't know. People that will get gone. One of the sides they keep on gone where. But at the same time, for this side, license too. For this side, even if you like license, unlicensed, any gun you shall get. Toy gun self, I don't talk that and say toy gun no they too good as play. Because don't they really teach person how to do something. When they give small boys toy gun, they do pish on, you don't know who they train. You don't train person, you get. So you don't say person just keep play dagger for house. You know, you don't train person how to use knife, they take choke person. I will choke you, Baga. So parents, may they very careful, guidance. I beg. Mona know the kind of toys them.
Any
they get for
dangerous
children.
Anything, even for your kitchen, keep your knives well.
Yes.
Any dangerous anything,
even
needle, because HIV is not accepted as well. Exactly. You shook a needle, you shook another person, you have a HIV, 2 of it become a co-HIV.
Serious.
You understand me now? So be careful with anything with the wounding object.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly. Any wounding object.
Yeah. Pose for the camera. Pose for the camera.
Take a picture.
There we go.
Take a picture.
Ogbolo, give me peck.
Wait first now.
I'll slap you.
Not the rush.
I will slap you.
See. We no go start date.
Yeah. Okay.
Go use spec. Go start date. Now, some of them get they put themselves in trouble.
Okay, go ahead.
On the date, now the man duty to impress you.
You know, it's at night now. Now like 8 p.m. now.
No, now not they rush the dates. Now me the dates this date now. Not
okay, not be me.
Everything. Why they?
I hold the gun.
My temper, but then they come up there. Okay, this particular one happened from Bodo Ibo, you know, for that place like this. And you concern the mothers, you understand, like a future mother, where she go be, you know, get me now. This particular woman, she and picking her children, 2 of her children, twins, now they be ready for park, you know, that they push their trolley, you know, they happy, la 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 la. One guy from nowhere, just carry motor, when they approach them where they did. We won't come and jam them. Before you know it, the man collide with their trolley. Boas! As he jam with their trolley, baby and everybody just fly away from somewhere. But praise be to God, say the picking them, they did very okay. The mama, I want to be picking land near the tire. As the man want reverse, now the mama shouts. For the shouting, now the man just hold the brake. And I go with thank you. Say these twins, because the twins when me I be like this, now I work for them. My prayer and I work for them for backyard. Now the man be that when they drive the motor.
And a drunk driver.
They can't check the whole thing. Can't find out say the man don't pass the limit for alcohol where he's supposed to drink. You get so now drunken driver and the guy be. Now small thing for kill this mama and the twins where she gets. But we thank God say God here avert it based on my prayer where they pray for the family.
Face.
But now they don't carry the whole matter go say, oh God, you go spend some time inside the J place just because you are drinking and driving. So because you're in a Friday, I beg, even as I did for this date now, very soon we'll go to order different things, and from here we'll go for different parole, you understand me now? So basically, I'm not going to drink anyhow because I'm going to be driving. You get, I'll just take a small, and drink the remaining as a water. You understand the water? Yes. All to protect my lady, you know. My lady. Oh.
If I slap you.
You chop egusi this morning.
If I slap. Kiss it.
You smell egusi. You chop about this point now.
I'll wound you, Ogolo.
Sorry.
I'll wound you. Okay.
Yes. Break. Yeah. My old thing. Oh, wow, it's your dress.
晚上带你去上那个虎牙玩玩去。
虎牙离这多远呢？
也不远，就2、3步远，是不是
？2、3步远。
就2、3步远。
有啥好玩的那块儿？
好玩。
Correct. That's very funny. The guy, they run. No, they say, carry the whole matter for body, they run. Like,
oh, my word.
With the discharge gas from it, back.
This particular philosopher, I've been a scientist, I've been a psychologist, or psychologist, or psychologist, something. Sociologist, University of Utah. In common, Nicholas Wolfinger, name being name.
Nicholas
Wolfinger.
Nicholas
Wolfinger.
Nicholas
Wolfinger.
Okay.
Wolfinger. Nicholas Wolfinger. Nicholas Wolfinger.
Nicholas one finger. Nicholas one finger. Nico.
This particular man where we just danced to his name, so he come out talk say the chances of you to get divorced when you marry is longer if you stay longer before you get married.
I beg to differ.
Wait now.
Objection, my lord.
Calm down this way.
Sorry.
Calm down. Are you calm?
Yes, I'm calm.
You're calm. We are all calm.
I'm calm.
We are all calm.
I'm calm.
Okay. The man said that the longer you stay before you get married, according to his own statistics, the more your chances of divorce. Now, in context, say if you marry after the age of 33, there's a big percentage say you go divorce. In talk say because the odds of divorce they reduce by 11% by every year. So the earlier you marry between your early 20s and your late 20s is better for you to reduce the odds. You are likely to have an happily ever after. Now, another guy, another sociologist from University of Maryland.
Tell them.
In come out, Philip Cohen, he said, objection,
Objection!
My lord. Objection, my lord.
I beg to differ.
I come to tell you
What's
based on psychology, based on analysis, based on anything, based on African community survey and around the world and even Africa and America, in common contact, say, excuse me, the longer you stay before you marriage, the more your chances of staying together because you don't understand the sociology of life.
Yes! You go down, go.
Yeah.
You go down there.
Yes. He says, so no need for you to rush. Take your time. Because the more you understand about marriage, the longer you stay in it.
Oh, what's that name? Oh,
Philip Cohen.
Cohen is my guy.
No, that year for physics, he get one particular law where concern Cohen.
I don't
forget.
Cohen's law of magnitude.
Something like that.
I hate physics that year.
You don't hate and reach me.
Just you want Bristol's law of movement.
No, not be physics. My sister na chemistry.
Chemistry. No, chemistry self. My teacher was secondary school. That made me hate chemistry.
The one where I like
you want to see physics? Which shall be that one?
Agriculture.
No, agriculture. Agriculture, biology, economics.
Aspilia africana. Arico papaye.
Oh, bragade.
Dogoyaro trees. Espana espolio.
We know. Not to say you're going to rant.
I'm telling you, we know. We go school. So you have to go to school too.
Shitty cultivation. Mixed cropping.
Yeah, then when you enter biology, you can't enter like reproduction.
Yeah,
you can't enter the skeletons of a woman being. And only follows mosquito.
Invertebrate vertebrae.
Yes.
We know.
I
we enjoy hibiscus that year.
Yeah, we go draw.
Label the flower hibiscus.
You go close eye, draw human skeleton, label am.
Label am. Because this is the forelimb, the forearm, the skull, the eye socket, the adriatic vertebrae, the mitochondria, the every chondria, the vertebrae.
You make me proud. All right, make we go laugh the laugh. Short video before we wrap them up today on top of our beautiful date. Yeah. No, they rob me.
P-Square, they learn.
Learn. And they tell you, now this one they call breakdance in Sudan.
P-Square, they learn. They learn every. You understand me now?
Meanwhile, Mona, wait.
Yeah. What's up?
Wait, I want to lose this thing.
What you want to lose?
Now for my, close your eyes. Close your eyes.
See, now the woman, they close eyes.
Close your eyes. I want to give you a date
you
gift.
Hey, hello, hello, see, have you opened the eye now?
Yes.
Hey! Oh my God! Oh my God! It's a lie, it's a lie, it's a lie, it's a lie. It's a lie. Oh my God! What are you doing? Wait, you know it,
Wait.
You know it.
Wait, no verse.
Wait, you know.
Hey, you don't enter now.
Wait first. Now original.
Now original.
So why you give me the ring now?
So that
wait.
you go no say, before you ask, I don't agree.
If I ask now.
Yes.
I don't want now.
So this is for you from my heart.
For me, Abi. No shaking now, no shaking. So what I want to ask now? What I go ask? What I go ask?
Don't worry, just
make your keep on.
just keep on.
If that's what you like to kneel down, no. See my shoe now. Very on point shoe like this. You understand?
Tell me make I stand up. Tell me make I stand.
Now there you go, there. Wait, did for that place like this.
No, just tell me.
I go keep the ring. No, now say for that place. Wait, now this one so good to end the show today.
Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Padi Padi. Now so our dates take end. You understand me now? Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Padi Padi, and we go gist it too. First us in the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, all of them. We did there for you. There for this downlining of the screen where they look. So just follow us and everything will be all right with you.
You understand? So as it be like this now, no wahala. Just stay there. My read date for our side. No worry. Olivia! Olive! Wait, worry. Wait.
You just say,
come. No, start this one now. Wait, be on this one now. Wait, come on.